Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro user upload tutorial. We're going to go over in this tutorial how to upload users into the system. So basically I'm going to follow the steps that are laid out on this module, this upload users module over here. In order to get here, I'm just going to punch in users. I can punch in upload users. And it'll bring me to this page, and basically I'm going to follow these steps. I'm going to download the template first, put the user data into the template, and then upload it. And then I can always verify the data from the user center as well. So I'm going to download the template with this download template link right over here. I've already got a template which has been filled out with data. So basically, this is the template that you're going to be using for getting users into the system. The first column is basically your user ID. The second column is your role for the user, so the access that user has been given by default. You can take a look at the other roles that are available from the user role center in the system. Your first and last name, your email address. You want to make sure this email address is valid because when the user is created, when it's uploaded into the system, it's actually going to send an email to this address detailing how to basically log into the system for the first time and set up the username. So you want to make sure these are valid. The active flag, if the user is active. Your store mapping, so this is basically giving the user access to the stores in the system. So for example, the first user, I've actually given them access to 2 stores, and I've separated it with that bracket in between. And you can also specify default store for the user. And this column here is basically if you have an external sales rep who you want their user to be in the system, but you don't want them having access to the system. So in that case, you're going to make this column Y. So you're going to make them a silent user so that they can't log in, but you still want to be able to use them in the system. For now, I've just made these all no because they're actual users in the system. So let's go ahead. Let's upload the data. I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to click on the template that I filled in with data, verify and upload. I'm going to make sure this all looks okay. And I'm going to go upload user. And you can see here that the new records have been inserted. And it's going to actually confirm it for me here. It's going to say on the bottom right that 3 new users created, no users were updated. And so what you can actually do afterwards is go to the user center, and you can confirm that that your users have been created in the system.